couldn't sleep. I took a Stomach, but voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody else in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour.
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God.
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither. Do me a favor and get me some water, sweetheart. I'm real thirsty. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Your branches are dry, poor thing.
Need no glass or no ice.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no crystal light.
Here we go.
And now it's supper time.
Get off of her. Get off of her! You're a monster and so am I. It's gotta end! It's gotta stop right here! Maybe you're tough on the outside, but in there, in that pod, I'll hack you to bits! Open up!